Fresh aloe vera leaves arrive at the facility, ready for industrial processing.
Each leaf undergoes strict quality inspection before entering the cleaning process.
Leaves are sorted by size to ensure uniform processing throughout production. Industrial washing systems remove all external contaminants from the leaf surface.
Food-grade sanitization ensures complete hygiene standards are maintained throughout.
Controlled air drying removes surface moisture while preserving the leaf's natural integrity. Final inspection confirms each leaf meets strict cleanliness and quality standards. Clean aloe leaves now advance to the precision extraction phase ahead. Precision blades remove spiky edges, preparing leaves for the filleting process.
Automated filleting separates pure gel from the outer leaf skin layer.
Every gel piece undergoes visual inspection to ensure complete purity. Purified water removes final traces of residue from the extracted gel. Industrial choppers create uniform gel pieces for efficient processing ahead. High-speed grinding transforms gel pieces into smooth, uniform liquid consistency. Collection tanks receive the raw gel, preparing it for homogenization. Homogenization creates perfectly smooth gel with consistent texture throughout. Temperature-controlled storage maintains gel quality before the purification stage. Automated transfer systems move the gel efficiently toward advanced filtration equipment. Pre-filtration screens remove any remaining solid particles from the gel. Microfiltration membranes remove microscopic impurities, ensuring crystal clear gel quality. Clarification tanks allow final particle settling before advanced purification treatment. UV sterilization eliminates all microbial contamination without chemical additives.
Polish filtration achieves pharmaceutical-grade purity for the final gel product.
Automated testing confirms every quality parameter meets strict pharmaceutical standards.
Purified gel enters controlled storage, ready for formulation and preservation.
Precision transfer systems deliver purified gel to the formulation mixing stage. Precision mixing vessels prepare to receive purified gel for formulation processing. Pure aloe gel fills the mixing vessel to precise volumes for formulation.
Natural preservatives are precisely measured and added to ensure product stability.
High-speed mixing ensures uniform distribution of all ingredients throughout the gel. Automated pH control ensures the gel remained within optimal skin-safe parameters. Viscosity testing confirms the gel achieves the perfect consistency for application. Vacuum de-aeration removes all trapped air, ensuring perfect gel clarity and quality. Finished aloe vera gel enters final storage, ready for the bottling process. Automated sampling ensures representative batches reach the quality control laboratory. Microbiological testing confirms the gel meets strict safety and purity standards.
Chemical analysis verifies active compound concentration and formulation accuracy. Physical property testing ensures consistent texture, pH, and clarity for every batch.
Stability testing confirms the gel maintains quality throughout its shelf life.
Final batch approval clears the aloe vera gel for automated bottling operations. Uniform bottles arrive on the production line, ready for sanitization and filling.
Automated washing and UV sterilization ensure every bottle meets pharmaceutical cleanliness standards.
Precision nozzles fill each bottle with exact gel volume for consistent product delivery. Automated capping applies precise torque, ensuring perfect seals on every bottle. Precision labeling systems apply product information clearly on every aloe vera gel bottle. Vision systems inspect every bottle, ensuring only perfect products advance to packaging. Automated systems erect cartons, preparing secondary packaging for bottle groups. Robotic systems carefully load bottles into cartons with perfect arrangement and spacing.
Carton sealing completes the packaging, creating retail-ready aloe vera gel products.
Automated palletizing organizes finished products efficiently for warehouse storage and distribution.
Finished products enter climate-controlled warehouse storage, awaiting distribution orders.
Systematic storage ensures proper inventory rotation and optimal product preservation.
Digital order systems ensure accurate selection and fulfillment of distribution requests.
Loading operations transfer products safely into refrigerated transport for nationwide distribution. Distribution fleet delivers fresh aloe vera gel to retailers nationwide daily. From cleaning to distribution, precision and quality define every step of production.